Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be exploring a fun and engaging way to improve your English language skills by describing pictures. Picture description is an excellent method for learning English as it helps you practice using vocabulary, sentence structures, and even your creative thinking, all while focusing on something visual and enjoyable. In today's lesson, we will look at a colorful and exciting breakfast scene and describe what we see in detail. Let's dive right in. Describing pictures is a great way to improve your English. First, it helps you learn new words by identifying objects, actions, and surroundings you may not use often. For example, in this picture, we will mention food like waffles, fries, and ice cream sundae, and actions like laughing, eating, and smiling. It also helps you use more adjectives and details, making your English richer and clearer. Describing expressions, clothes, and the mood of the picture with words like cheerful or colorful can bring your sentences to life. Finally, this method trains you to think in full sentences. Instead of saying, girl eating, you might say, the girl with glasses is enjoying an ice cream sundae. This strengthens both your speaking and writing skills. Now let's get started and have fun describing this picture together. In this colorful illustration, we see a lively breakfast scene in what seems to be a diner or a cafe. There are 7 children seated at 3 tables, all engaged in eating or chatting with each other. We will look at the top center table. At the table in the center, there are 3 children. A boy in a white shirt is laughing while eating. Next to him, a girl with brown skin and glasses, wearing a blue top, is holding up a spoon, possibly excited about her dessert, which looks like a sundae. Another girl with a blonde ponytail, dressed in pink, is smiling while enjoying her food. Now we will look at the bottom left table. At this table, there are 2 boys, both eating with enthusiasm. The boy in the striped blue shirt seems particularly animated, laughing with a spoon in his hand. His plate has what looks like waffles, and he is having a great time. Next to him, a boy wearing a yellow and blue lightning bolt t-shirt is also smiling while eating, possibly cereal. Now let's look at the bottom right table. At the green checkered table, there are 2 children. A blonde boy with a red sports jersey number 17 is about to eat a meal of fries, steak, and peas. Opposite him is a girl with red hair, wearing a turquoise jacket, smiling as she eats her meal of cereal or porridge. Let's discuss details around the cafe. The walls of the cafe are decorated with 2 framed pictures, one showing a fish and another showing various breakfast items like eggs and milk. There is also a large breakfast menu on the wall behind the children with pictures of sausages and eggs. On the table, you can see bottles of water, glasses of milk, and a variety of breakfast dishes, such as ice cream, cereal, waffles, and toast. The atmosphere looks cheerful with plenty of light coming through the windows, casting shadows of teapots on the purple wall. The overall vibe of the picture is joyful and fun as the children enjoy their meals and each other's company in a friendly and colorful environment. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button.